welcome back to our channel. Are you a freelancer or you're interested in freelancing but you want a bridge between freelancing and blockchain? Then definitely this video is for you, because we will be talking about a new ambitious project aiming to link between the two worlds here. We'll be talking about Uwerx. We'll go through it in the next few minutes in details, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, and without any further ado, let's just dive deep into it. And guys, here we are on the platform Uwerx. What's going on here, and what's the whole concept and idea behind this project, and why is it so special? Well, first of all, this project here is aiming to be the first decentralized blockchain-based freelancer profile or platform, meaning that you can actually start freelancing and cutting off all the commissions that major platforms take. Like, I don't want to name, but you know, the big major brands in the market or the big major platforms in the market, they take up to 20% of your work. But here with this platform, they are aiming to cut the commission to charge only 1%. Even better, they will integrate the blockchain technology, meaning that you can be completely on the blockchain and completely decentralized over here, giving you flexibility, and also utilizing the smart contract concept, meaning the contract between you as a freelancer and someone who's giving you a piece of work or a gig or whatever will be based on smart contracts. So things are automated and things are well regulated also for your both benefits. So that's the main concept about this platform, and this project over here is still in the pre-sale over here. So you might need to act quickly and start checking it out. Inform yourself at least. The more information you will know and the more information you will get and the more you educate yourself, the better decisions of course you will make, and it wouldn't hurt you to check the links down below and see what's going on and start educating yourself even more. If you're a freelancer, of course, this will be very beneficial for you. This also will enable greater protection of intellectual property and negates the risk of false plagiarism. The platform currently is quite simple, and as you go here you will find the white paper and the roadmap as well. So you can go over here and you can see what's going on in terms of the roadmap and the white paper. You will see here that the white paper is self-explanatory. Things are very well structured, and you can go through the sections over here and go through all the details. But generally speaking here, this will bring a lot of new features through the incentivizing new elements by the way of badges and leaderboards and rewards and built-in collaboration tools and the video conferencing as well. So they're trying to integrate everything, and as you scroll here through the different sections and the roadmap and the vision of this project, you will find that things are moving into a very smart direction and a very good direction as well. So I would say have a look also at the white paper and the roadmap. You will see that things are making sense and things are actually moving into taking the whole freelancing aspect of life now into the blockchain and into the decentralized world. So in addition here to all these features, also it's possible for freelancers and users also to earn more and more through participating in rewards and bonuses, meaning that you can refer friends, meaning that you can invite people, meaning that you can actually participate in the decision-making process and voting. So the Uwerx coin or token, this will also be rewarded on the base of completing the work for clients. So users earn not just from work, but also you can earn from your reward. So it's quite simple here. You can just create an account, quite easy, enter some basic information, and then you can start purchasing the Uwerx token here or Worx token over here. You can choose from major cryptocurrencies available on the market right now: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, whatever, and you can choose your favorite. Put the amount over here. Let's say 1 Ethereum, that will be worth 200 Worx. I would say Ethereum will probably involve some gas fees, so probably you need to choose another coin, but generally speaking, you can simply and easily start using this platform to even earn more on your rewards and earn more on your potential investments. So it's important here to know that the liquidity will be locked for 25 years after pre-sale ends, meaning that it has been confirmed that the contract ownership will be renounced and the audits have been conducted, the InterFi network and solid proof. That's also worth mentioning here, and currently there's only 25% exclusive bonuses available for all Worx purchases exclusively during the pre-sale period. So you might need to check it out here, because the pre-sale period here will finish in 112 days and 16 hours and 3 minutes and some few seconds. So you might need to start informing yourself and starting to make some decisions over here. After the pre-sale, you can also expect that the token you will be holding will be airdropped to your receiving address provided in your Uwerx account for 6 weeks. So that would be quite well, and the week number 1 will be 8%, week 2 will be 10%, week 3 will be 14%, 4 will be 18%, and 22% and 28% consecutively over here, and all are on the white paper. You can go through it and you can read all of that, and you can read the agreement, you can read the structure, you can read everything when things are taking place, and you can scroll and inform yourself about this whole idea and this whole project. And if you're a freelancer, as I'm telling you here, you will find actually that using such a project will open a whole new door for you. You can of course parallelly keep using your classic freelancing, but I would say moving it into the blockchain is inevitable. All businesses, all major businesses, even Facebook is calling itself Meta now, meaning that they are moving into the metaverse and the blockchain technology. Blockchain is being used, it's a fact, and it's here to stay. So when you're seeing that freelancing also is moving to blockchain, it might be an essential point for you to at least inform yourself and start making good decisions to also go with the flow and go to the blockchain technology with your freelancing ability. And here you can find that you can have an overlook on your portfolio, you can have a look at your profile, you can see your order history. Things are quite simple and straightforward over here, but this whole concept and whole new idea will be very making sense in the next few months and years, because everything, as I'm telling you, is just moving into the blockchain. So I would highly recommend you to check it down below and see the white paper, inform yourself more, get yourself more educated about it, and you will find that things are making sense. And of course that will be quite a good step for you to have confidence in the blockchain as a freelancer, and to believe that it's actually the future of freelancing will be also involving blockchain. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Uwerx, a new interesting project linking between freelancing and the blockchain and helping you investing actually and gaining even more capital gains on your freelancing work. So I would highly advise you to check the link down below, see what's going on, inform yourself. The more information you gain, the better decisions you will make, and of course things are starting to move in the market, so it's not going to hurt you to inform yourself and keep yourself educated. So check it down below, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and till next time, bye bye.